Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending December 13th, the major indexes were mixed as investors took a breather and await next week's Federal Reserve meeting on interest rates. Wholesale sales decreased in October compared to September, while inventories slightly increased. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, increased to more than expected 0.3% in November. On a year-over-year basis, CPI increased from 2.6 to 2.7%. Core CPI, excluding food and energy, remained at 3.3% for the third consecutive month. Food prices increased by 0.4%, energy prices increased by 0.2%, and gasoline and fuel oil prices increased by 0.6%. The Producer Price Index, or PPI, increased to more than expected 0.4% in November, as prices for goods increased by 0.7%, while prices for services increased by 0.2%. Year-over-year, PPI is 3%. Core PPI, excluding food and energy, increased by 3.5% on a year-over-year basis. And finally, import prices increased by a higher than expected 0.1% due to a large increase in the price of fuel imports. Year to date, the Dow is up 16.3%, the S&P is up 26.9%, and the Nasdaq is up 32.7%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.39%. Oil closed at $71.24 a barrel. Gold closed at $2,646.81 an ounce, with silver closing at $30.46 an ounce. For this week of December 16th, Monday will get both the services and manufacturing PMI data. Tuesday, retail sales, industrial production, and the Home Builder Confidence Index will be reported. On Wednesday, we'll get housing starts, building permits, and the Fed's decision on interest rates, followed by Fed Chairman Powell's press conference. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, existing home sales, the second revision of third quarter GDP, and the leading economic indicator index, which is an indicator of where the economy is headed in the near term. And on Friday, personal income, personal spending, consumer sentiment, the PCE price index, and the core PCE price index will be reported. The PCE price index is a measure of the prices that people pay for goods and services. Core PCE excludes food and energy. And as always, we keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, if you have investable assets of $300,000 or more, we can provide you with a complimentary detailed financial plan. Call for details. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. This will be the last edition of Look Back, Look Ahead for 2024. I'll be back next year. I want to wish everyone a very happy holiday season and a very happy, healthy, and prosperous new year. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.